Yo, what's up guys? This is Rids yet again. I welcome you all to my channel. Today we are on day 11. So far I just hope my strategies have helped you. You have learned a lot and you are implementing the strategies that you have learned till now. Today we are on day 11 and let me remind you all guys, it's the consistency, it's the right practice, it's the right reading, it's the right listening that matters a lot. You just got to be very, when you are reading, when you are listening to others, just implement. Okay, so far this is what we have done. Today it is day 11 and in case if the vocabulary worries you, you feel that you don't know the right vocabulary, okay guys, you have to take a pause, breathe deeply. Okay, don't think much, just follow the strategies that I have been teaching you till now. Do not worry that you don't know the vocabulary guys, just follow the strategies that I have been teaching you till now, and with the time your vocabulary bank will increase. It's a guarantee guys. I have got 8 to 9 years of experience as of now and I'm still teaching. I have a long vision to go ahead in life, in this career, in this coaching field. So I am always there with you guys to support you guys. If you have doubts, always write to me in comments. And the strategies, like tip number 11 for today is just that don't worry about the vocabulary, just learn to talk about your simple day-to-day things. It's not the worry that's gonna help you, it's the implementation of the language that's gonna help you. So do not have doubts, don't think you don't know vocabulary, forget it guys, just follow the strategies. As I have always told you, I have another channel where there are 365 videos for you to practice on daily basis. Follow that channel, follow the playlist year 2023. It's really gonna help you towards your English transformation. You will see a new you soon. You just have to implement the language, and with the time you're gonna pick up your spoken, your fluency, vocabulary, prepositions, adjectives and whatnot guys. It's a complete solution at fluent voice with Rids. So keep learning, keep progressing guys. That should be your motive. Do not put yourself in doubt at any moment. I'm always there to support you guys. Just keep learning, okay, just keep implementing the language. And yes, another thing that I wish to tell you all is just be in the flow of the language. Okay, when you are reading, be alert. When you are listening, be alert. When you are writing, observe your errors. So it's the small changes, small improvements that's gonna